Hey there, Kansas City homeowners. If you're thinking of sprucing up your home or making some upgrades, especially with an eye towards selling, you're in the right place. Did you know that some popular upgrades might actually make your home harder to sell? It's true. There are certain trends and designs that, while trendy, might not appeal to most buyers and could even make them walk away. Today, I'm diving into these upgrades, why they don't work for everyone, and what to do instead to keep your home buyer friendly. Welcome back to Living in Kansas City. My name is Cheryl McCormick, and I'm an agent with the Rob Ellerman team at ReeceNichols Real Estate, which is the #1 real estate team in all of Kansas City. I am your best resource to find out everything there is to know about the neighborhoods, lifestyle, and real estate market in Kansas City, and I have the resources to help you with your real estate needs every step of the way. I was born and raised right here in Kansas City, and I've lived here the majority of my life, mostly in various suburbs on the Kansas side. I love showcasing my beautiful hometown, which is why I make these videos, and I hope that you're going to love Kansas City just as much as I do. And if you find today's tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more real estate advice, and always feel free to reach out to me anytime. So let's go ahead and dive right into today's upgrades that you're going to want to avoid if you're planning to sell your home. Let's kick things off with a big one: colorful kitchens. While bold hues like yellow and bright blue are fun and energetic, they can be a bit too much for many buyers. Imagine walking into a kitchen with bright yellow cabinets or a purple black splash. It may be memorable, but not everyone wants to start off their day with such strong colors. Bright colors can also cast shadows and make the room feel smaller or dingier, especially if it's not well lit. My advice: stick with classic neutrals like white, gray, or light wood tones. These colors let potential buyers envision their own style in the space without feeling overwhelmed. If you want to add your own personality, you can still bring in pops of color with small decor pieces that can be easily removed. Next, let's talk about over-personalizing. When choosing furnishings, light fixtures, and colors, remember that the goal is to appeal to the widest possible audience when you're selling your home. Avoid extravagant and unique upgrades like fancy cabinet hardware or overly bold light fixtures that may distract buyers or make the home feel too personalized. And while you may love that funky modern light fixture, it may be a turnoff for some buyers. Instead, opt for more neutral classic selections with broad appeal. Simple, timeless choices allow buyers to imagine adding their own touches without having to replace these features right away. One color that's super trendy right now, thanks to the Barbie movie, is pink. But when it comes to home design, it's a tricky color to work with. Pink, especially bright shades, is often seen as a niche color, and Open Door data shows it's one of the least popular choices for home exteriors and interiors. If you love pink, consider bringing it in with smaller touches. Think like a dusty rose throw blanket or a subtle piece of wall art. Next, let's talk about dark kitchens. Dark kitchens have a certain wow factor, but black or dark colored cabinets can feel heavy and sometimes even make a kitchen look smaller. While you may love the moody vibe, not every buyer will appreciate it. Many prefer a kitchen that feels open, bright, and versatile. If you're thinking of renovating to sell, white or light wood cabinets are a safer choice. You can always add personality with knobs and pulls and unique finishes like brass or matte black, as long as you don't choose a design that's too crazy. That will add contrast without making the whole room dark. And remember, small spaces like powder rooms or utility rooms are ideal for experimenting with darker colors if you still want that bold look somewhere in your home. Now let's move on to wall color. Color-drenched rooms have become one of the newest trends in designer homes, and color-drenched rooms can make a space feel cozy and chic. But covering all walls in a bold shade can be overwhelming for some buyers, especially in rooms with lower ceilings. Instead, consider using a single accent wall to bring in that rich color. In bedrooms or bathrooms, an accent wall behind the bed or the vanity can add just the right amount of depth and warmth without making the room feel smaller. This approach gives buyers the cozy atmosphere without limiting their design options if they decide to repaint. Now let's talk appliances. We've all seen those trendy black, red, or even pastel appliances. They're unique, but they might also limit the buyer pool. Bold appliances make a statement, but they don't necessarily appeal to everyone and can sometimes make a kitchen feel dated or theme heavy. My suggestion: opt for classic stainless steel or neutral panel ready appliances, which give a clean and modern look that works with any style. Buyers love cohesive, high end looking kitchens, so if you can get matching appliances, that's an even bigger plus. But if your appliances don't match or they're not working, don't replace them with new ones. Instead, look for cost effective used appliances that can update your look without spending a fortune. Now let's talk wallpaper. I'm old enough that I've lived through the wallpaper trends of the 80s, and I've had homes with lots of wallpaper. But I've also ended up removing my share of wallpaper, which, believe me, is no fun. Wallpaper and murals can be a lot of fun, but they are very personalized. And what one person absolutely loves, another may despise. And if you're planning to sell, they might make buyers think, how much will it cost me to remove this? My advice: opt for neutral paint colors like beige, light gray, and various shades of white. Those are all top choices. Neutral walls make it easy for buyers to picture their own belongings in the space, creating that blank slate feeling that's so important in real estate. And paint is a lot cheaper than wallpaper. Now let's talk about carpet. If you have carpet that is older and you're thinking about replacing it, know that many buyers today actually prefer hard surfaces like luxury vinyl tile or hardwood over wall to wall carpeting. Instead of investing in new carpet, consider hiring a professional cleaner to freshen up what you have. If it's too worn or has lingering odors and you must replace it, choose a budget-friendly carpet option. You can find many cheaper selections by choosing remnants or by going to carpet warehouses. This can give your home a cleaner feel without overspending on a feature that buyers might end up replacing later on anyway. And last but not least, don't buy furniture to fill a space if you're just going to sell your home. Large couches, oversized tables, and heavy furnishings may work for you, and they may work great for the home that you're moving to, but they might make your current space look smaller and more cluttered to buyers. Instead, wait to buy your new furniture until your current home is sold, or store those oversized pieces in the basement or garage. Remember that less is more when staging your home to sell. Opt for a more streamlined look that makes your space feel open and inviting. Keep a balance of enough furniture to show the room's purpose, but leave plenty of room for movement and flow. And there you have it. Home upgrades that may look good at first, but could actually hurt your home's value in the eyes of buyers. Remember, if you're planning on selling, a more classic neutral approach will help appeal to a broader audience and maximize your sale potential. Have any questions? I'd be happy to help you prepare your home for a successful sale. If you're curious about what you can do to maximize the value of your home or want to talk strategy for buying or selling, reach out to me. I would love to help. If you're thinking about making a move to the Kansas City area or within the Kansas City area, I would be happy to help you find your perfect home in your perfect neighborhood at your perfect price point. And if you're a seller, I would love to help you maximize your profit and sell for top dollar. So whether you're planning to move in 9 days or 90 days, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. All of my information is in the description so that I can help you make your move to Kansas City or within the Kansas City area a smooth and easy one. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more facts about places you might call home, and for exclusive community tours and real estate insights about communities in Kansas City suburbs, including Overland Park, Lenexa, Spring Hill, Prairie Village, Leawood, Olathe, DeSoto, Shawnee, and Lewisburg. And please leave a comment, as your comments help me create content that is useful to you. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to love my next one. Until next time, this is Cheryl McCormick from Living in Kansas City signing off. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video.